Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Brie. I talk about all things vegan and cruelty free, mainly beauty. I'm going to do my PR Boxycharm by Ipsy unboxing really quick before I take my makeup off. My daughter's in the next room, so if you hear any music or things going on. So let's get into this. I just posted my choices today. So what I chose for Boxycharm by Ipsy for my paid for box. So first we have from Verb. This is the Fullness and Light Hold Weightless Texture Volume Dry Texture Spray. Really pretty color. I feel like I've tried something from Verb, but I don't remember. So I don't really like aerosols, but I will use it for some texture in my hair, especially since it's short now. And then I got from Supergoop the Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40, and it's water resistant, sweat resistant, and it's supposed to be like double as a primer as well. So it's always nice to have more sunscreen. And then from Drunk Elephant Bougie, I got the Oh Blues Rosy Drops, and they have omega fatty acids in them. I don't really care about skincare in my makeup personally, but let me show you what this looks like. This is pretty cool. So not a lot of product comes out, like, and then I love their packaging, especially since it comes in like cardboard. So it goes in, blends in really nicely. And then I don't know if you can see, it has a slight pink kind of shift. It definitely has some shimmer in it. I don't know if you can see it with my lights, but there you go, a little bit of a shift. It feels very smooth, dries down, I don't feel anything sticky. And then this is kind of disappointing, which is what I thought it was gonna be. It's the Laura Geller Laura Essentials Candy Cravings 12 multi-finish eyeshadows, whatever that means. One highlighter and one blush. So look how pretty this packaging is, okay? And then even they match, but it is boring. There's two purple, but they look kind of basic. This palette looks really basic, and this is the weirdest highlighter. It looks pretty dark, so I think I'm just gonna put this in a giveaway. It's too, I don't know, I'm not gonna use it. And then this is Bougie, last but not least. This is from Dermalactives. This is the Eye Lifting Collagen Solution. It's like over $100. It's glass packaging, looks fancy for an eye cream. I haven't used any of these, I just got this tonight. And then really quick, the only spoilers that I see for April, which some of these are from Ipsy Glam Bag, but the Morphe Bake and Set setting powder, I feel like was an option for Ipsy Glam Bag, if I'm not mistaken. I put all the choices for Ipsy Glam Bag, even though I did not get Ipsy Glam Bag this month, in my previous video for choice. And I see the Rare Beauty Perfect Strokes Gel Eyeliner, which I haven't heard anybody talk about. Most eyeliners, especially high-end ones, they never last my waterline. I prefer like LA Girl, Moira, ColourPop. And then, and About Face. And then from Olaplex, the Volumizing Blow Dry Mist, which, I mean, that's pretty bougie product, but that is the only items that I'm seeing spoiler-wise. I always do spoilers for Ipsy, Boxycharm, FabFitFun, and sometimes other subscription boxes, even if I don't get them. So that sounds interesting to you, as well as learning more about cruelty-free and vegan content, because that's all I post. I would click subscribe and like. And as always, stay safe, healthy, and always do something that makes you happy. My form of self-care is True Beauty. What is your form of self-care? Because it's always important to take care of you. You can't take care of others unless you take care of yourself, and I hope to see you in my next video.